In today's video, we're going to show you something called sticky notes. It's probably something you have never noticed before. Now, if you have, I'd be curious, add some comments below if you have used it in the past. It's in the lower right corner of your desktop of Zoho CRM, and it looks like a little piece of paper with a thumbtack in it. And that thumbtack, or that image rather, looks like a post-it note kind of. It's called sticky notes. So in this video, we're going to show you how those things work.
Yep, like I said, super quick video here because this is not rocket science what I'm going to show you here. But if you look down here in the lower right, you'll see this little doodad. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. This here is the sticky notes. So let's zoom back out, get out of this little crosshair thing, and then we'll go ahead and click on it. This shows up anywhere in here. So let's say you're in products. It stays at the bottom here, kind of like with your chat, the channels, all that stuff. That shows up down here at the ZM. So anywhere that you're at within the CRM, is you'll see sticky notes here. So this is where you can add additional notes. You can move them around on the screen. Or you can just keep adding them if you want. I don't know how many. I've never tried seeing how many we could add here, but you just add them. And then as you can see over here, the colors, you can change the colors of them by looking at this little color thing here. There's not a lot of colors, but you know what? Maybe if you have certain types of post-its that you want to have where you can look at it. As you can see here, you could put bullets, and that's this little doodad here. If I go here and I click this one, now it's one, oops, A, B, C, right? So number list, if you want to do that, like if you're doing some kind of list for yourself, you could then strike through the fact you did that one thing. Let's see, what's the other thing I want to mention? Oh yeah, there's a little reminder here, is you could set a reminder for yourself. If you want to look at this note again, it'll let you know. And the other cool thing is it think, all right, well, it's taking up a lot of my screen real estate here, and how do I get out of it? You just click anywhere. And if you want to go back to them, you just click on sticky notes, and there they go again. They show up. If you want to get rid of them, you just click this little trash right here. Yep. Or you can also minimize them. Make them smaller. So if you had a full screen of these, you know, then you could just minimize them. But as you can see, you could put a ton of notes in. We've done it for phone calls. We'll just grab one of these and we'll start putting some notes in, and we'll just copy and paste it to the record that we're on the phone call with. Even though when you're connected with Ring Central, is you could put in the notes at the same time. But what this does, just free form, you don't have to really think about it that much. You just type them in here real quick as you're going through it, and then just copy and paste as soon as that call's over with, and then you can go right back to the record that you're looking at. Pretty simple, but it's pretty cool. It's like a little hidden Mickey or a little Easter egg. If you've never used sticky notes before, I'd say give it a shot, and then put some comments down below.
If you like the video, click the like button, like everybody else asked you to do. And then also, you can check out another video over here, and then you can check out, click over here if you haven't subscribed already to the channel. So, go on to another one. We've got to learn something every day, right?